Good students, today I am going to teach you about use of Pythagoras theorem in trigonometry. Before it, I have taught you about use of Pythagoras theorem in trigonometry in serial number 3rd. After this, some problems are solved by the use of Pythagoras theorem. Here, Pythagoras theorem depend on right angle. This is the altitude or perpendicular line. Altitude means perpendicular line. Here BC is the base. BC is the base, right in short form B, and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, students. Here, if you take angle C, then perpendicular line will be AB in front of this angle. When you take angle C, then perpendicular line will be AB, and when you take angle A, then perpendicular line will be BC in front of this angle. So according to this, we solve the problem. Here AC hypotenuse is fixed, which is front of 90 degree. But according to A and C, change the angle of A and C, then altitude is changed. Here you take A, then altitude be BC or perpendicular line BC, but you can take, if you take angle C, then in front side AB is the perpendicular line. On this basis, we solve some problem. Here, this is the right triangle. Here A, B and C. Okay, student? If the value of BC is equal to A and the value of AC is equal to B and the value of AB is equal to C. The value of is equal to C, small c, A, B, C, A, B, C. Let the value of BC is equal to A and the value of AC is equal to B and the value of AB is equal to C. In this case, find the value of CA. Find the value of sin A and find the value of sin C. According to the value of A, here this value is, we determine the value of sin A. We write here sin A is, define the ratio of sin A is equal to AB by AC, perpendicular by base. Here you can write C by B. Sin A is equal to, it is not correct. It is not correct. Here sin A, if you take sin A, then this is the base and this is the perpendicular line. Then BC, then here you can write perpendicular line BC by AC is equal to, you can write A by B. And when sin C, if you take sin C, then find the value of sin C. Here, if you take sin C, then AB is the perpendicular line and BC is the base. Here, AB by AC is equal to AB means C by B. So these types of problems we can solve by this method. Okay student, here next problems you can solve by the use of Pythagoras theorem. Find the value of tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Then find the value of tan theta and cos theta if sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Here solution for this sin theta is equal to 3 by 5 given. Here in right angle we show it by right angle. Ratio is shown in right angle always. Here sin theta is equal to perpendicular line by hypotenuse ABC. Here AB is the hypotenuse and 3 is the altitude. Then find the value of BC. Then let this is the theta. Then find the value of BC. BC value we find by Pythagoras theorem. Here angle B is equal to 90 degree. We use Pythagoras theorem. We use Pythagoras theorem. we use Pythagoras theorem. Okay student, here we can write AC square hypotenuse square according to Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to square of BC base square plus altitude square. Altitude square here 5 square is equal to BC square plus 3 square. Here we can write 25 is equal to BC square plus 9. Here BC square is equal to 25, transfer 9 from this side, we get 25 by 9. Here 25 minus 9 16, BC square is equal to 16, then BC is equal to root 16 is equal to 4. Thus we get the value of BC is equal to 4. Therefore we can write here the value of tan theta. Tan theta is equal to altitude perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base is equal to 3 by 4. And the value of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base by, because theta is here, therefore it is base BC by hypotenuse AC, hypotenuse. Okay student, here BC is equal to 4 by hypotenuse height. So these types of problems you can solve by this method to use of Pythagoras theorem, and you use by the ratios, you can solve the value of this. Okay student, the next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.